Good morning, children. So today we will study about the remaining part of the chapter of light. Okay. So we started about concave and convex mirrors. Okay. Concave mirror and convex mirror. So here I will give one nice example of generally we say when you say magnifying lens. Actually when magnifying means what? The image sometimes it becomes bigger in size, sometimes it is smaller in size because of the distance of the object. Based on distance of the object, the image will be bigger or smaller in size. Suppose I will take a magnifying lens. Okay. So this lens if I take here, I will try to concentrate on a sheet of paper. But I have to adjust with the sunlight. Suppose this is sunlight, the azimut is sunlight. If I try to adjust there, on this paper a small spot falls on this. Suppose if this is a paper, okay. So small spot will fall because I am holding in front of the sun this glass. So what happens? All light rays converge here and forms a single beam of light. Means they combine and form on this part. So this part will catch fire. Okay. So this is a type of lens. So this lens is called concave lens, or generally we call magnifying lens. Okay. So where they are used actually? So let us find here. I think you know very well. Like automobiles, that headlights of the car, torches of the headlights of torches. If you see there, it will be bulbs outside. I showed like this. It will be bulbs like this outside. Inside it is open, like this. It shape will be like this. Here like this. Okay. So such mirrors are called concave mirror. Suppose if outer layer is like this, this is convex mirror. Okay. Actually what means in concave mirror, the images are erect, virtual and little smaller or little bigger in size depending on the distance of the object in this way. So in convex mirror usually these are used in rear view mirrors, where in the trucks, bus, lorries and all, because they will give bigger image. Even though they are small, they give larger and bigger image. Actually what means in case of concave and convex, actually in convex mirror, okay, so this is a convex mirror. This is principal focus we can call. Here in this convex mirror, when you pass a light on this mirror or a convex mirror, so these rays will come from here, these rays will come from here, these rays will come here. Here what happens? All the rays will concentrate, means converge. They converge at a point. So here they will converge, they meet at a point. So this is a point where image is formed. This is point where image can be formed. Okay, in this way, all rays converge at a point. That point is called converging point or converging lens. Convex lenses are called converging lens. Okay. Then suppose if I give example of concave mirror. In this suppose concave mirror will be showed like this. These are the concave mirror. Okay. This is middle part. Here in this case what happens? Concave mirror will make the light to move towards opposite direction, means light deflect. So this is the reason why convex mirror images are not virtual. Suppose I told we have to like a real image, virtual image. Okay. Real and virtual image. So real image means not real. These images are caught on the screen. You can see the image on the screen. In concave mirrors, we see images are caught on the screen, like mirror, plain mirror is there. which is blackened at the back. There the image is formed as it is, and it is laterally inverted, and it is erect. Sometimes depending on distance it is smaller in size or bigger in size in case of real images. So virtual images are the which are not obtained on the screen. We cannot see that on the screen. It is found, the image is found beyond the screen. Okay. So where are these used actually? So concave mirrors are used in by dentists. So dentists will use this to check or sometimes specialists like eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and to see in internal parts, they use a small mirror. So that will be a concave mirror because it shows enlarged image. Okay. So in the case of convex mirror also, these are used in vehicles, especially as a rear view mirror where the images will show the larger area. This happens in highways and all. Okay. But actually how they are, to touch how they are. See, convex mirror are usually thicker in the middle. Okay. So concave mirror are usually thinner in the middle. Concave thinner in the middle part will be thicker, then besides that round part, other part will be thinner. Okay. But in case of concave mirror, middle part is thinner, outer part layer is thicker. So this is the reason why different images are formed due to different concave or convex mirror. Okay. Now we'll find out how the images are formed. In case of concave mirror, images are real, erect, and virtual. Okay, in case of convex mirror, the images are enlarged. So we get enlarged image, erect image, and beyond the screen. So this is how the images are obtained on the screen. I told, if the images are obtained on the screen, they are called real images. If the images are not obtained on the screen, they are called the virtual images. Okay. So due to this, they have different uses. So I told about converging lens and diverging lens. So convex lens is also called convergent lens, means all the rays of light concentrate and form a particular image. And convex, they form image beyond the mirror. Okay, this is about the concave convex mirror. And coming to next part, one is we call white light. But what is white light? Okay, but what is actually white light? See, you want to see, suppose you take a scale. Okay, just to see towards the sunlight. When you see there, you are able to see some colors here, some like little blue color, orange color, different color. But why you can see it? Why you are able to see the color? Actually, when you say white light, so white light is actually made up of 7 colors. The best example is rainbow. A rainbow contains how many colors? Acronym. Generally we use it called acronym. What is that acronym? VIBGYOR. Okay. So this V is for violet. Okay. Indigo. Blue. G for green. Y for yellow. Orange. And red. So why white light is only, you can see only light, but inside the light actually there are 7 colors. The best example I told is rainbow. And even you take CDs also. Nowadays CDs are available, computer CDs. If you check there, you see and check, you see there are 7 colors. Means why they are formed? So this is actually called scattering of light. This light will spread and this will show that they contain 7 colors. This is about VIBGYOR, which contain 7 colors. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. These all are combinations of all colors, and you can get a white color contains these small colors. Okay, suppose indigo is there, white indigo. See, you can make in your home also. You can make this. You can find this. Actually, what happens? You take a sheet of white sheet you take, and you make a round cardboard. In that, on that you apply. You put all 7 colors in that. You put all 7 colors like this. You make a round card sheet. Here it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This you can remove, one you can remove, adjust here. Okay. So this becomes magical disc. This actually generally becomes magical disc. Okay. So just you put a hole and fix one small rod or any stick there, and you try to rotate it. Because and before that you fill all the colors. You fill all these colors: violet, indigo, blue, red, orange, all. You rotate it. When you rotate it, that looks blue, white, complete white only. Even they have filled color, but this disc look what? White color, because they all are rotating and forming a single color, because not of due to rotation, due to light's reflection, it forms only single color. Because continuous rotation means what happens? The color you feel as if mix up automatically, then you form, you see that there is only one color. Means it shows that light is made up of 7 colors. Generally we call white light is made up of 7 colors. So this is about your topic. Remaining question and answer I will let you know later. You can note down. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.